Today, all the Filipinos are in the saddest moment journey of their life. We gather here with a sad heart, asking again for your favor to be with us. Especially, Lord, that we're going to eat this food that Ate Janet and the Duterte supporters prepared. We thank you for this food, Lord. I hope that this food will nourish to our bodies.
Nasyak ako. Kasi sabi ko kagabi, wala, isipin ko, left, right, up, down. Sabi ko wala namang reason siguro para hindi mag-grant yung interim release niya. Kasi dito sa Holland, itong international human rights is in here in Holland. So kung i-deny nila, where is the human rights? Especially PRRD is old now, going to 81 years old. Yun ang naging ko, kahit na sabihin natin humanitarian na lang dahil sa edad niya. Bakit kami nagtitipon-tipon dito? To show our love and support for our former President Duterte. Yan, wala kaming ibang dito. Yung pagmamahal namin sa kanya at ang suporta namin. Kaya kami nandito, rain or shine, cold or what, we are here and we are not going to give up. Ang laban di pa tapos. Tuloy pa rin kami hanggang 2028. Pagbabalik ang mga Duterte, malinis lahat yan. Tanggal lahat yung mga buhaya dyan.